How to remove Mailerlite logo and branding. You just need to simply click on account settings, and from account settings at the bottom you will find Mailerlite branding. You just need to simply disable this option, but as you can see, I'm not allowed to disable this option in my Mailerlite account because I'm on a free plan. So you just need to purchase a premium plan of Mailerlite. You just need to click on this upgrade button from here, and you will find some package that you can purchase from Mailerlite. There is advanced package and another is growing business package. For all of this, after purchasing all of this, you will be permitted to disable these options from here, this Mailerlite branding. Then you can remove the logo and branding of Mailerlite easily. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video.